So this is a day of community service at Western Albemarle High School. We call it WAHS with a cause. So our goal here is that community service is super important, and especially after COVID, we really wanted to bring out the idea that we are part of a community and bring back our community spirit. And that we're part of Crozet. Our leadership students plan all the projects. They also work with sponsors. We have a lot of local sponsors. It costs money to do community service. And so we really thought if everyone had an opportunity to do community service, and then they would then want to go out and continue to do that community service. We also wanted everyone to have a shared opportunity so that they could talk about, oh, this was my project and this is my project, and they could share what they did to build more excitement.
This community gives so much to us as a school and our students. It's amazing to be able to go out there and give something back to the surrounding area. And it feels really good to be able to go out there, meet real people, talk to real people, and know that you're making a positive impact on the community around you.
Today we're making goodie bags to bring to children in the hospital at UVA. And it's like coloring sheets and markers, and we cut out little fish for them to color and draw. I think these kids deserve something, especially if they're going through something medically or emotionally. And I feel like it's nice to have and nice to connect with other kids. 2 different types of baskets. There's a basket for families staying in the NICU, like brothers, sisters who have brothers and sisters who are in the NICU. Then there's baskets for nurses who work long shifts at the NICU and just need a refresh and something to eat. And then there's one basket for the pump room where mothers breastfeed, if they're hungry while they're breastfeeding in the pump room. And they all just have mini snacks and drinks and sleep masks and hand cream and anything simple you wouldn't think to bring in a moment's notice that you could just grab quickly. Important to as us as students to have a grasp in our community and not just sit by and stand and watch things happen, and to really take a stand and just help things in our community. As simple as this, just taking a few hours of our day to do something that might probably help a family a lot more than we know.
So we're building dog houses for dogs that live outside and that are in need, and it's through the WAHS company. I think this is a great option because we're building houses for dogs in need. I chose it because I wanted to help dogs, and I like Miss Harding and Miss Matheny, and this class is a lot of fun.
Just painting flags from different countries, and we're gonna hang them up afterwards and display them. It's good. I think it's a good thing because we all get to do something fun for the day, and we all get to experience something new. I've never painted a flag before, so I get to do that for the first time, and it helps with around the school.
Oh, this is gonna look real nice.
So this is the Western Albemarle lacrosse team. We're washing cars for Old Trail Lodge, the residents, and the faculty members. Just giving back to the community, washing cars. It's a pretty small community, and reputation's a big thing, and we want to leave a good reputation throughout the community that Western Albemarle is a great school, gives back, and the people within it, the communities, and the niches that are in there, that we just give back, and it just means a lot to us to have that positive representation of not only Western lacrosse but also just Western Albemarle as a whole.
We're at Crozet United Methodist Church. We are clearing up the bushes over here so that they can replant it with more bushes, so it's not just grass. This is actually my church, and so we were really excited that we got to do some good, so that you get teaches you the skills to help out in the community, and it shows how it can help and just life skills in general.
Oh, thank you so much.
I am here at Great Value collecting hygiene donations for families in need, so that families needing these things don't have to worry about losing health care and stuff, and having them be more supported and not needing to worry about buying things that they need, like necessities.
We are removing the invasive species from the gardens here. We've removed things like onions from gardens over here, and here we're just removing invasive grasses and clovers. It sounded interesting, and I like gardening.
I think it means a world of difference because, it takes a community or a village to be able to do the work. It's something that we can't do on our own, and I think everything's much better when you have the collaborations and more people involved and more people learning about practices that they can continue and other volunteer events that they do.
So we're the WAHS girls soccer team. So for WAHS with a Cause, we're here at Crozet Elementary, hanging out with all of the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. We're playing sports with them, you know, trying to be part of the community, I guess, you know, interact with some of the youngins. We've had some gossip circles, I won't lie. We've been playing soccer a lot, some basketball, a little bit of rock wall, a little bit of everything.
Elementary level, these kids think of high schoolers as heroes, so it was a good opportunity for them to come in here.
There's been multiple kids that have come up to us and been like, wow, we just love WAHS soccer, we love to watch y'all play. And I mean, these are the kids that are gonna grow up to be us. So I think it's really important to come and give back and help them, you know, get up into this where we are. Go WAHS with a Cause.